Here we're going to use the ArcGIS toolbox to export data from ArcMap to tables. So first off, we'll want to navigate to the root folder for the project. Go to Exercises, Chapter 1, Map Docs, and then open an Exercise 121. Alright, here we've got the normal ArcMap, same layers as before. To open up the ArcGIS toolbox, there is a button up here called the Arc Toolbox, or alternatively, you can go to the Geoprocessing menu and go to Arc Toolbox. So we'll want to select that. The Arc Toolbox should then pop up. You want to navigate to Conversion Tools, Excel, and then we will double click on Table to Excel. The tool should pop up. Now we want to select which input table or which layer from over here we want to use to export. So in this instance, let's select the counties again. Now we need to select where the Excel file will be output. So let's go over here, navigate to where our project folder is, Exercises, Chapter 1, and then we'll do Output. And here we'll need to name the file. Let's call it counties _ EX121. And then press Save. Here we can leave all these checkboxes as they are. Just make sure that you have county boundaries selected for the input table and you have chosen the correct output location. Press OK. Here, Table to Excel will pop up in the bottom right-hand corner, that with a green check mark meaning that the tool finished correctly and it worked just how you expect. So now we want to navigate to where we put that. We'll go back to the main folder, go to Exercises, Chapter 1, Output, and let's see if we can find the file we put out. There it is, Counties EX121. See how the icon's a little bit different? This put it out as a different type of Excel file. This one's older. It's an Excel 97 through 2003 worksheet. You can go ahead and double click on that. Here we can see all the data like before. The reason you may want to use the toolbox is because if you're using Model Builder or any kind of automation, you can actually embed these tools into that automation.